Okay, welcome to our second video on solving two-step equations, where we're going to look at a couple more advanced questions which involve groups and brackets when we're undoing using that reverse order of operations rule. Okay, let's have a look at the first one here. We're once again reading out the equation out loud. We've got x plus 2 divided by 7 equals 4. So we really need to treat that x plus 2 as a group, so that needs to be done last. So if we look at what we've actually the operations to the unknown, first of all we've added 2 and then we've divided by 7. So to undo those we need to subtract 2 there and times by 7 there. Subtract 2, get that. Okay, so our first undoing, remember we go from bottom up, is we're going to multiply by 7. Remembering this is actually can be treated like a bracket up there. Okay, so we rewrite it. X plus 2 divided by 7 times by 7 equals 4 times 7. Alright, so we see that the 7s actually cancel out, which leaves us x plus 2 equals 28. Now we're going to do our subtracting 2 undoing, so x plus 2 minus 2 equals 28 minus 2. Now our 2's cancel out, leaving x by itself. 28 minus 2 is 26. So if we put that 26 back in, we get 26 plus 2, which is 28, divided by 7 equals 4. And you can see if we put that back in, we have to do that whole line first. Okay, let's look at the next one. We've got 4 brackets x minus 3 equals 12. Well, we know in algebra that if there's no sign between any two terms, then we've got a multiplication. Now in this case there's two ways we could do it. We could multiply this out by expanding, or we could just have a look at what we've done to the leave it in its factorized form there. Alright, so we'll look at this. We've got 4 brackets x minus 3. So basically we're taking 3 away from the unknown and then we're multiplying that whole thing by 4. So to undo this, we're going to divide by 4 and then add 3, and we're going to go up that way. Alright, so let's have a look how this looks. First thing we're going to do is divide by 4. So we'll rewrite this. 4 brackets x minus 3 divide by 4 equals 12 divided by 4. Now remember, we write it in that fraction form. Now these 4's actually cancel out, leaving there x minus 3 equals 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And then what we've got is our undoing is now plus 3, so we've got x minus 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3. Those 3's cancel out, leaving x equals 6. Once again, let's put the 6 back in here. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. We've got ourselves a true equation. Okay, so there's a couple of examples of using brackets and groups, if you want to call them that. Yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.